Baba.
We pay the Sundowns. Where did we go wrong?
I don't think ukuthi kukhona la singathi mhlambe kube nephuthanyana khona. Just nje la ngibuke khona kakhulu ngibona ngathi Sundowns isibonile ukuthi ngale side lade sebephushelele ngakhona uModi. Ngayibona ngathi ifuna ukungena ngakhona kakhulu. Kula ngibone khona nje ukuthi amanzi ngathi ayangena khona. Kodwa nje for mina igame the way abebedlala ngakhona I'm happy ikakhulu ngoba sibuya kuma game ayi3 without ukuresta, so ngihappy kakhulu nje ngayo yonke indlela ade bedlala ngakhona. Give me a draw, it's a win. It's promising. It shows ukuthi the guys they are hungry for ukuthi bengayithatha le Betway. I'm very impressed the way they are playing. So ngiyabona nje ukuthi serious bayimisela ukuthi bebuyise le happiness esiyazi ikhosi iyo. Ngiyayibona this season ukuthi serious ngazuthi izofika le happiness esikade vele sihlale siyilindele. I'm so happy.
It was a tough match. Babona first half Chiefs ihleli emva ake ngeyixesha ihleli emva sabona ukuthi amathemba ingathi ayaphela because asikwazi ukuthi siye phambili, but the time they scored a goal ibingase singaphakama sime ngenyawo nengoma yathula stadium asakwazi ukuthi siphinde sicule. Kodwa ke into ebesiyazi ukuthi ucoach once wa introducer uCassius Melula wabuya wasifakela uBrandon Mukwena abafana abancane bazawukwazi nokuba ngaba bayivule iChiefs ngoba iChiefs man, iChiefs iswag man. I can say it's not the first time iChiefs ihlala on phezulu. Even last season siyibonile ihlala phezulu. I think imatch bezi 4 or 5 ihleli phezulu. Yabo sabuya ubuya kwethu safika sayidropa yonke lento. Njengamanje ubuyabona sibanike idraw. Iqalile manje. Awunongicela ngezi team ini le team ifikayo le. Bathi ini le team Milford. Lenye le. Kruger singathi Kruger National Park singatsho kanjani bebedlala nje la Kruger National Park. Iteam enjena sinoyibala ukuthi iteam abashaya ngayo manje baqalile manje bayadropa bheka phansi, and ngoku we gonna make sure next week siyadlala nge19 we're gonna make sure ukuthi siwine games zethu iChiefs izawubuyela phansi.
I'm very sad about how we played the haram football. Haram football is the one who's played by Jose Mourinho in Real Madrid. We played very defensive. We were having Ndlovu and Muthetwa, and we were very defensive. Ignal, Machio and Miguel, they were very defensive, and then the referee robbed us at the same time. So Da Cruz, please free us. Please buy Thembinkosi Lorch.
Okay, coming to the first half, Kaizer Chiefs dominated the first half.
They played very well because the defensive was very good. They were very reluctant to what we dealt with. So what I'm saying, please, Kaizer Chiefs, please buy someone who's just like Thembinkosi Lorch. Give him jersey number 10. We deserve everything. We deserve to win because now we play we played just like Spain. Defense was very bad, but we played just like Spain.
So do you think that the changes that the coach made in the second half, were they productive or they are the ones which cost the team the point?
Nonsense. The one who costed us is the changes of the game. Because now we are very stable, and then we are very reluctant to the game. Like we are stable in the midfield, we are very stable. Now we changes what it doesn't even affect the team.
So the change of Pili. The coach took out Pili and brought in Chislet, which is the side where Modau got a free role in a way in the second half. Do you think that change is the one that caused Sundowns to score the goal against Kaizer Chiefs, or do you think that some of the tactics the coach used, or the language barrier in a way I can say, because the coach has to give the instructions to the interpreter first before they get to the players? What do you think about that?
The coach, yes, of course, he doesn't even understand our language. But what we asked him is that please go to accept the deal and then request for Thembinkosi Lorch. For now, we have the difficulties in the game. But what you can do, because of this game that happened, please, my Da Cruz, I know you don't even understand English, but please, Da Cruz, please, buy a central midfielder just like a Thembinkosi Lorch, buy a person who's stable. You had the difficulties because of the management of Kaizer Chiefs. We need a striker just like the guy with Mukoko. Mukoko.
The likes of Nokovic.
The likes of Nokovic is no longer in the game. He's
No, I'm
old.
just saying the Mascara says striker.
That's it.
That's
We
all
had
need.
the chance of buying who is that? Who is that one from the Sundowns and just number 9? Shalulile. Okay.
We just need a striker now. Okay, midfield we are okay. We just need a striker. Yeah, get us a striker, we are fine.
No, re le Sundowns re 1 point e betere unlike re se sa fumana point. Game in le bi mentle ke game in le Chiefs. Yeah, the way re bona ka teng game in le ya bona se Chiefs ne tlile for this game.
Was the seat warm after Chiefs scored a game? But ne bata no go etsagalang in your emotions when Chiefs scored?
Yo, icon. Uno le bima serious. I don't want to lie. Yeah, hanye Chiefs ile re e win the game here. I no tlo ba bima for rona re le Sundowns.
The problem was our wing. We failed to mark on the wing, and their wings, the substitution, 2 substitutions, they caused us a problem. They were supposed to mark on the wing, not in the inside. That is where we went wrong.
And then going forward, you need to ofuna Kaizer Chiefs and to win all their games.
The coach needs to start playing attacking football, not defending, because the formation today, it was all defending, about defending. Thank you.
And 7 points out of 9. How does that make you feel?
I have won the league. I feel good. I feel great.
I'm not feeling very well.
Why?
We were supposed to win this game.
Then where did
This was our game.
you go?
Our coach played, I don't know, maybe he tried to play experience. He tried to play experience, but that was not necessary. Those small players can play, man.
Chiefs is still leading the league right now. When as a Sundowns fan, that's somebody who always wins. He ends up with the
That is a small water, my brother. We are going to win the league either way. They are just leading. They are just holding an umbrella.
Next to you, kuna lili Bagania, move a microphone.
Yes, go pompe yona go bontsho ria.
Bagane o nyaka eng mo gaming Bagane o nyaka eng mo gaming
Who got down go stadium today?
Ke a tseba. O bona game ke be ke tlo bona re wetsa and ke tseba ke draw. Wa tseba ba tshwere umbrella ba re runa ba chise ya go ba le league mara that's the last time. Usani ne o tla bona Bakani on top. Obvious ke runa league.
And then how are you gonna go on top? Uli ko tlase ka di points at the moment.
Re tlo chapa 4-1. Usani 4 goal. Awa bona motho mara lexa nyana ska wa ra ka motho mara tseba ke le ka motho.
This means when today no supporter Sundowns.
Today be abek batla ba kore 1-1 and ba korile nto e ke batla be ke rapela.
No, not for me. Basasibambele isithi laba abantu. Ilike yethu basasibambele bazosuka bona mthuthu laba. Bazosuka sizobasusa labo. Ngoba nayi Pirates ngiyayibona ibhekile kodwa angifuni ukukhuluma ngayo. Eyethu le league bazosuka laba. Bazosuka nyabonga bhuti. Sijabule kakhulu.
Let me start with the game that was played today. That was a game of 2 halves. Sundowns survived because mistake that were doing by my coach. My coach didn't have to substitute Pili. After we substitute Pili, Sundowns get back to the game. So Sundowns issue Sundowns then Kaizer Chiefs are improving each and every game.
Sure. Kubhlungu. Ngoba ngizela ngithi ngizobe nqoba laba bantu laba. Ngisuka nabo ku Nedbank ngabahlukumeza. Last previous season babambe ngedraw for igame ezi2. Manje bengisho ukuthi ngoba ngisekhaya Slaughterhouse ngiyabe nqoba bhoti. Mara ngihlulekile.
Kodwa inhliziyo mayithobe. Hayi siba it is a draw.
Where did the coach or the team go?
Bhoti ngisene complain bengise stadium ngibone nje okuncane okwenziwa nguPeterson but mangibhekile I feel like ngathi ureferee ungirobhile lapha ya. Umjita unama mistake but player lethu we have to give more support to Peterson as a player lethu. But asipheli moya bhoti. Asipheli moya.